Good morning, kami ay magbe-breakfast na. Diba, bonggacious? So, kakatapos ko lang luto ng kamote and then nagpainit ako ng coffee. Coffee is life, kamote is life, mga kabukidera. So, yeah! Happy la happy! Yeah, happy daddy! Daddy, okay na yung kamote? Yeah, okay. Ayan ang kamote namin. So, kamote at saka coffee, yun lang. At saka nanonood kami ng agribusiness, how it works. Hello, it's eating. Ayun ang kamote. Yeah. Hop. Ambito pa lang kami sa tent. Kamatis life.